So looking at gold again this week, we are still bullish on gold. And the last time we analyzed gold was around here when gold had broken this high and then failed to break this low. And we had our entry here. And we're targeting this high, the market to be able to reach to this high. So right now, the market has actually done that. And we're still holding this position. If I must show you this gold position, this is it. We're still holding it long term because it has not shown any indications of it going to sell. And we're doing this from the Throne Telegram group where I send free trades. And the trade was actually analyzed here. If you come to YouTube, also look for Throne. This was like 7 days ago. This is where we had the breakdown. Of course, in the last 2 days, we have another Bitcoin trade, which you have analyzed. You can check it out. But this is gold last week and how that whole story is completed now. We have another gold story to be able to tell and see how we can possibly trade it again. But what I want you to notice here is that the market has created a difference. What do I mean by that? There's a clear difference between this new high that has been created, then this other low where the market failed to break further. Okay, this is a low the market has failed to break further. It goes to form a new higher high, creating a difference here. So now, what does this tell? Just the same way we had this low, the same way we had this low, market failing to break this low and then forming a new higher high, creating a difference here. Price comes here and we had our buys here. Now we have a low, a new price difference, and then we have this price difference here. So this is an area where we want to see price coming back here. And as long as price does not continue to come down to here, we could actually have that reversal to form further highs. But how do we do that? For us to be able to trade, we need to come to a lower time frame. Like, for example, we come to the 4-hourly, 1-hourly, whatever time frame you want to come to. And then you begin to wait for price here. Right now, price is actually in the middle, so you really don't want to find yourself entering trades. So what you want to do is you want to wait for price to reach to these levels there, and then begin to form higher highs, break highs. And the moment it breaks into this, we can actually target that move to the upside. So this is what we want to see with gold. Otherwise, it could also pull back into this. So the point here is that we are bullish. The trend has not yet changed. And whatever happens, we want to see the market breaking back above this area, and then we can have another buy position. So let's see how this is going to play out throughout the week, but this is what we see. And you can follow us here. We share trades that have not yet played out that we expect to play out. Okay, so we analyze what will happen, not what has already happened. So let's see how this plays out.